Hey guys, so today we're going to be discussing whether or not we should be detoxing our body. So in reality, our bodies detox themselves 365 days out of the year. So they're always detoxing, getting rid of toxins, bad cells, and excreting them. But that doesn't mean we should ignore our detoxing pathways. Detoxing is very important for our overall health. So we're going to be going over ways to help out our natural detoxing system. So why do we need to detox? So toxins are very abundant in our everyday environment. The products that we use, our water, the air, toxins are literally all around us. So an environmental working group did a study on newborn babies and they found that newborns had the average of 200 toxins, okay? So they're just starting out their life and they're so heavily overloaded already. Imagine the average adult, how many toxins are in their body. So where do toxins come from? So non-organic foods, our personal care products, our home cleaning supplies, even home building supplies all have toxins in them. Now, our normal body's metabolic process also produces toxins. Now, our bodies were designed to get rid of these through fecal matter, urine, sweat, breathing, they get rid of our normal body's toxins. But our bodies were never designed to deal with the amount of toxins that are in our everyday products overloading our systems. So what happens when toxins start building up in our system? So a variety of things can start happening. You can feel really tired, sluggish. Your brain can almost feel like in a brain fog. Chronic illnesses, cancers, they can all stem from an accumulation of toxins. Now imagine if you left the garbage in your house for over a month and it started collecting all these microorganisms, mold. That's what can happen in our body if we're not getting rid of all these toxins. So it's just like a big buildup. And so if they're just sitting in our bowels or however they're meant to excrete from our bodies, if they're not going out of our body, they're going to sit there and reabsorb into our body and cause all these chronic diseases. So neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, dementia, they've all been linked to a heavy toxin overload within the body, okay? They have even found that ADHD in children is associated with heavy toxic overload. So these toxins, they're creating so much havoc. They're even affecting our reproductive and causing cancer, okay? So the endocrine disrupting chemicals, which include like solvents, BPA, phthalates that are found in plastics, they're causing serious hormone dysfunction, okay? So they're unbalancing key hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. So these contribute to polycystic ovarian syndrome, endometriosis, breast and prostate cancers. It can even decrease fertility in both men and women. And the effects are so strong that even prenatal exposure can reduce adult fertility. So how does detoxification work? So it's really a team effort between organs. So our liver and our kidneys, they work closely with our colon, our urinary tract, and our skin. So they release enzymes that break down the toxins and then they are filtered out. Now, if our detoxing pathways aren't working correctly, so our liver, our kidneys, our colon, if they're not functioning properly, the toxins are going to remain in these places for too long and they're going to start causing organ damage. So we're going to talk about 6 ways we can support our body's natural detoxification. So we're first going to reduce exposure to toxins. So eat as much organic foods as possible, reduce plastics, use natural personal care products that are all natural, use all natural cleaning products, and we're also going to clean up our air. So our candles, those little wallflowers that you plug in, they all release toxins into our air that we're breathing every day. So we want to reduce the amount of toxins as much as possible in these products. So using an all natural source. So next we're going to eat detoxing foods. So our berries, our green tea, turmeric, pomegranate juice, flax seeds, greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale. We're going to add that to our diet to help us flush the toxins out of our body daily. Number 3, we're going to be taking an antioxidant supplement. So this helps neutralize free radicals and toxins, helping remove them from our body. Okay, number 4, we're going to reboot our system with a seasonal cleanse. So every season, when we start a new season, we should be doing a cleanse. And it can be very, very simple. As simple as just eating clean, light foods that are easily digested for 1 to 2 weeks. And do this about 4 times a year. So during this time, we want to be avoiding all sugar, alcohol, gluten, dairy, get lots of sleep, drink lots of filtered water, and also reduce stress during this time. Okay, number 5, intermittent fasting. So intermittent fasting is amazing for your body, okay? So this means we're restricting the times that we eat during the day to a period of about 8 to 10 hours, okay? This gives our body a break from heavy digestive activities and frees up energy so our body can focus on detoxing functions. And lastly, number 6. So this is enhance elimination. So stay hydrated, drinking water, increase your fiber intake daily. This will help get those toxins moving through the bowels. Skin brushing. So this is where you take a natural bristled long-handled brush and you're moving your skin towards your heart. Okay, so all of our limbs towards our heart. This helps our lymphatic system, okay? So our lymphatic system, it actually doesn't have a pumping system like our veins do, which is our heart. So our lymphatic system, if we're not moving enough, our lymph is just kind of staying in place. So this will help move our lymph, move the toxins that our lymphs collect and move them to our lymph nodes to be excreted, okay? We want to sweat more, get proper sleep. These are all things that will enhance toxin elimination. I know it can be very overwhelming at first to start removing toxins from your homes. So if you're looking for somewhere to shop that has better, safer products, and you know what you're shopping for has no toxins in them, please get a hold of me. So in the description below, I've left a link and you can book a free Zoom with me. It's absolutely free. There's no strings attached, and I can show you a better way to shop that you know the products are safe, okay? So that's all I have for this video. Once again, please feel free to book a free Zoom with me and I will go over exactly how you can live better, healthier, longer, and happier. All right, guys, see you in my next video.